and Francesca!
Yay!
And today we have a My Little Pony Pinkie Pie and Applejack Explore Equestria Cutie Twisty-Do Playset!
Yay! And it's so big! And it also comes with Applejack and Pinkie Pie.
Ooh, yeah. So this one has like a twisting thing. I don't know what it's called. You can let us know in the comment section if you know.
I think it's a straightenator.
No, a straightenator, like, no, it's to straighten your hair. This one is to curl it, okay?
Okay.
So I know these are like a pair of scissors to cut her hair. Pinkie Pie! Yay! And we'll be also opening these egg surprises. I know why, but Leah wants to open these two, and she left me with these two. It's weird that she wants to open the Star Wars and
the Ninja Turtles.
yeah. So let's get started.
Yay!
Okay, so let's take this in right here.
This is.
There you go. Thanks. Okay, let's get started. Oh, yeah.
This will be so much fun.
Yeah. So we got everything out of the box. I will show my pony. Ooh, look at the cutie mark. This is how she looks without mane. But when we're gonna style her hair, she'll be with mane and other kind of bees like this.
Here's my pony. She has 3 apples like in the movie.
Hey, put her right here so they can see. Keep her right here.
She has crazy hair like always.
Yeah.
Like
Okay, let me show front and back. She has mane, but Leah will decorate it and make it curly and stuff.
we figured out what this thing is called. It's called a curler.
Put it like kind of in front of her so they can.
I'll try with my hair.
Ooh, okay, that kind of curls. Anyway, let's get styling.
Yay!
But I just want to show you the accessories. So here is a bag with lots of beads. And here's some hair. Attach, attach, attach. So now let's get styling. Whoa!
Yay!
Now I'm doing this. There's a lot of hair to attach.
This kind of looks like the thing you
Straighten your hair with.
This kind of looks like the thing you hide your hair.
And now we're going to use the special scissors to cut her hair. Whoa!
And
now we'll attach a bead.
can I use one of your beans?
Well, I don't think yours can come off, so I don't think so. Okay?
I'll just put one bean here.
I don't think that will work out, but let me try it for you, okay?
Okay.
That will
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's put all of her hair up.
Gonna use the scissors again.
Whoa, her hair is gonna be a total disaster.
Why? We don't want it to be a disaster, silly.
Okay, I'll call it the fancy hairstyle.
Cool.
Hey, I'll put one blue here. It comes with 3. So let's put them on 3. Alright.
Wait a second. I need it.
It comes with pink, light blue, and red. Rubber base. Oh. Okay, there we go. Okay.
I'm gonna make her mane super long.
And I'll make mine pretty.
Okay, one more touch and we're almost done. I just need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more streaks. And that won't take forever. I'm running out of beads. Wow, and we're done! Yay! Now we'll turn mine around. And mine around. Wait. Okay. Look at the cutie mark. Now yours. Say right one place.
Did you know, guys? Did you see the eyebrows?
Ooh. This is the eyebrow. Those are the eyelashes. That's the eye. That's the eyeball. There's the people, and then over here.
And now let's open our surprises!
Yay!
Yay!
So here are Pony and our surprise eggs! Yay! And these two were so much fun to play with, so let's open these eggies up. Okay. So this one tells you what's inside because you can see here.
Okay. I'll open my Tarzan.
Oh, and this is Paw Patrol. So
wow! What?
Tattoos! Whoa!
Hey, friends, Tarzan.
That is so cool.
Seriously? It's a post. You'll get toys in it.
Whoa! Look at this. I have so much candy.
It's you can collect characters, but characters are not in there.
No, those are tattoos. I want to taste one. I want to taste a sour candy.
Okay,
I love sour candy. I want to taste this one.
Okay, let me see if there's any Ray sticker. Yay, Ray sticker.
That is so good.
Okay, now
I want to taste one more. A jelly bean. I never tasted them before.
Now let me.
Here's the tattoos.
Now let me open my candy egg from the
So my egg got like lollipops, jelly beans, and sour candy. The jelly beans are good. Want to taste one?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, next. So you can't see what's inside, but we'll find out.
Yum. 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 Whoa! We made a picture strip. See?
Oh yeah. So this one has sour candy.
I made a lucky tear strip.
Yeah. This one has sour candy, lollipops, and I think. Oh, stickers.
I hope mine has stickers.
I'm sure it does. Good. So good.
Wow!
Ew. So she got jelly beans, sour candy.
Let me taste one of mine.
Okay. And lollipops.
Wow.
So cool. And yummy. I can't stop eating this. It's just so good.
Yeah. Okay.
Yay.
Orange one. Not bad.
If you get these and try these candy, you might like them too.
Try
Yay.
one more.
One more? Okay. Oh, the lemon. I'm going to taste the lemon.
This is lemon flavor, right?
Oh, great. Alright guys, so that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed our My Little Pony Cutie Twisty-Do, I think.
And candy.
And
candy.
And please let us know in the comment section which hairdo is your favorite. Also, please let us know which kind of candy is your favorite.